Hi, today I'm going to show you an easy way to play Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin. I'm tuned to G, D in the middle, high G. So I'm just going to go phrase by phrase here. Here's the first phrase. So that was 0, 3, 0, 0. The second phrase, first finger on the second fret of the first string and the third finger on the fourth fret. And with things like this, when I see a tab coming or something, I try to put the whole shape down. Instead of going like, I would actually put the shape down like this. And what that does, it gives you a slight bit of overlap. Like that. Then the next shape is 3 and 3 on the first and second string. Right. So our next fingering is 0, 2, 5, 2. And once again, I try to hold them down so they sort of blend and ring together, not unlike the record. Then our next shape is 1 on the middle string, 3 on the low string. And then I pick from the high string to the low string. Then I move this shape up to 3 and 5, 3 on the middle, 5 on the low string, and I hit that and slide up 2 frets. Okay, and that's all there is to that. Then there's the lick. That was 0, 8, 7, and you start doing it again. Next part of the song is very straightforward. You can do it with one finger or with a slide. I start off with the low string, 0, 2. Then on the third fret, I play a finger picking pattern of thumb, index, middle, index. Then I go to the 5th fret. Then I go to the 8th fret. Then I do this lick on the first string. I'll do that in context. Okay. And then I do start the same way. And then I go up to fret 10. And then starting on the 3rd fret in the middle string, I hit it that note, slide up 2 frets. So I'll play that part for you. Okay, so then it does the first thing I did again, 0, 2, 3, 5, 8. And then it does another variation. So I'll play that whole section for you. I'm going to insert a clip here of me playing the second half, and then I'll show you what I did. So I start off up here 10, 8, 10. And I do it down, up, down, down. Like that. Then the next chord is 0, 8, 7. Then the next chord is 0, 10, 10. And then 0, 10, 9. 0, 10, 9. And then I do a quick 1, 2, 3, 10. Have with my little finger on the high string. Now that's keeping it really simple. If you want, you can put your first finger down there. Or you can even fake it with an open string. But I've kept the tab real simple. It'll sound good just like that. So down, up, down, and then I think it's up, down, up. Up on the 10, 9, 0. Okay, then we go back to that chord I started with. And there's the second chord, which is 0, 8, 7. Then we go up here and play 10 and 12, 10 on the first string, 12 on the middle string. Play those two notes, and then hit the open string. And then we go 9 and 10, open string, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. A little slower maybe. And then you repeat all of that. After you got that down, you go into the next part. 0, 2, 3 on the low string. Then you arpeggiate across. Arpeggio means broken chord. So 3, 3. Then you go down to 2, and I use my third finger here. So that's 2, 3, 3, 3. And then you play a minor arpeggio. It happens to be G minor because we're tuned to G. 0, 3 on the low string, 0 on the middle, 0, 3, 0 on the high string. So I'll play that for you. Slow. Like that. Then we do that again. Instead of playing the middle string, we jump up here to 8, play the whole 3 strings, and then we play 7, 8, 7. Works no matter how you look at it. There. So I'll play that for you. Okay, and we do all that again. And then we do a variation. Full arpeggio. We come up here, and that's 0, 10, 9. You just did it once. I did a kind of flourish there. I guess it's kind of a flourish. I have it written just as once, but all right. Full arpeggio, or now we're going to go holding that chord. We're going to add our little finger on the high string with a 10. 1, 2, 3, 10. 10 again, and then 9. So we'll go down here to 3, bar right across. Use a little finger. So that's down, up, down. And we add our little finger there. Down, up, down, up. Down again. And then we put our first finger on the 2nd fret of the low string, middle finger on the middle string on the 3rd string. We can add our 5th finger again. Start off with the 3 though. Like that. And there's all sorts of room for variations. This is all an approximation because there's only 3 strings. And he's got several guitars recorded and all sorts of stuff going on. So it's really, you know, if you feel you should strum it any different way or anything like that, by all means, please do. And this time it goes right to the does this again, 3, add the 5, then 2, 3, 3, add the 5. Then we're into the chords for the solo, very simple, 12, 10, and 8. You just do that as long as you want, and in between there, those X's are mutes, and they're just down, up, down, up. So you do that until you're really, really tired of it. There's a lick in there I didn't put in the tab, but when you get down to the 8, you can actually go 8 on the low string, then 12, then 8 on the middle string, and 12 on the middle string, 10 on the middle string. Oh, forgot the last 8. If you want to put that in. Sounds a little thin if nobody else is playing. I usually just end on that last chord, the 8s. And then I just go back and do the intro again, which you, if you're just watching this and you haven't learned the first part, might not be aware of, but it's very simple. Anything like that will work. Have a great day.